Hello there, it's a pleasure. We are right here for explaining you the task number 2 and step 1, where you're gonna looking for a destination. You're gonna base it on this part with this book, where you will find out. By the way, find out is a phrasal verb, and the phrasal verb is one of the topics we are gonna try during this B1 process. On this book, you will find the superstitions when you are gonna find a way for explain all those superstitions so in one audio, and you will be uploaded. And besides that, we are studying the vocabulary for destinations that we will find in the on this book. The step number 2, we are gonna find the reading activities, where this reading activity you will see the way for answers those questions. They are talking about Bangkok. The step number 3, we have the writing activity. This writing activity, you are gonna suppose you will are the owner of one travel agency, and you're gonna propose enough information for the tourist according to the place you have selected. You have selected present perfect tense. Okay, remember that. We're gonna manage the perfect tenses on this B1 learning. And part 4, we are gonna have the collaborative activity. On this one, we are gonna to provide the feedback to your partners and try to not write 1 or 2 letters and say yes, okay, or no, it's not okay, or yes, I like it, or no, I don't like it. Try to find out the way for support the classmate work and provide him enough information for getting better for the next time or in this opportunity. Okay. Finally, we have the step number 5. Try to take care with the presentation with a good cover page. Don't forget the links where you are recording the exercise 14 from the ebook. And provide the answers based on the reading A when I explain you about the travel guide. All of this must be presented or supported in the final document. With the collaborative, we are going to find out the way for using the screenshots and upload it to the final work. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Anyway, I will be right here in case you need my support and my help. Do not hesitate to call my attention. My name is Joseph Wilson. I'm gonna be your professor during this B1 learning. I suppose everybody right here are speaking English or have a B1 level, okay? If not, or if I am wrong, let me know please, or do some activities and upload you to this level, okay? Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a nice and wonderful time. Bye bye and take care.